We're going to take 16 sets of traffic lights out of the journey from below the range to beyond Toowoomba, from the Warrego to the Gore highways. This is a 41-kilometre road connection that has been on the books, but it's really taken the actions of this government and the federal government over the last 6 months to be able to nail it and to get the funding to make sure that we can deliver it. A road of this size and the complexity of the construction and the distance is a very expensive road, and as we all know, Queensland has been left with a very big debt, so we've got to look at how we can fund it. But we'll be putting a fair bit of state and federal money, and I've got to acknowledge the contribution by the federal government here, into making this project going and get this project going. The tolls will actually just cover the operation of it, not the actual construction. That will be paid for by the state and by the federal government. But the aim is to actually take the heavy traffic that services the Surat Basin, that vast agricultural and resources-rich region that supports Queensland, with a new road. It removes about 40 minutes of travel time and takes a lot of traffic out of Toowoomba, which is a good thing